morning students, my name is M. Sujata, working as an RCRT, KGPV Maripadu from Nellore district. Today we discuss 10th class 8th chapter similar triangles. Eighth chapter similar triangles. Students, in previous class we discussed exercise 8.2 and 8.3 problems. Today we discuss Pythagoras theorem, its example problems and exercise 8.4 problems. Students, Pythagoras theorem is called a Gaussian theorem. So statement, in a right angle triangle, the squares of hypotenuse equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides. First we draw the figure. Right angle triangle A, B, C is a right angle triangle. First, what is the given? Triangle ABC is right triangle at right angle at B. Next, RTP. RTP means required to prove. So, in right angle triangle, the square of hypotenuse. Hypotenuse means right angle, opposite side is a hypotenuse. So, AC is a hypotenuse. So, squares of hypotenuse is sum of the squares of other two sides. It means other two sides is AB square and BC square. So, AB square plus BC square. It is a RTP. So, AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. Next, we write the construction. BD, we draw the perpendicular, name BD. D is a right angle. BD is a perpendicular to AC. So, draw BD is perpendicular to AC. Next, go to proof. See here, in this figure, triangle ABC is a right angle triangle and ADB and BDC is another two right angle triangles. So first we take the BDA and ABC right angle triangles. So triangle BDA is similar to triangle ABC because angle D right 90 degrees and angle A is a common angle. So these two triangles are similar. So its sides are proportional. These sides are proportional. So write the sides. AD by AB. AD by AB is equal to, take the triangle ABC. So AB by AC. AB by AC. It means sides are proportional. Sides are proportional. So cross multiply AD into AC equal to AD into AB. Next write AD into AC equal to AD into AB, AB square. This is the equation 1. Next, we take the another two right angle triangles. BDC, one is the right triangle and ABC is another right triangle. So, we take the triangle BDC is similar to triangle ABC. Triangles is similar. So, their sides are proportional. DC by BC is equal to BC by AC. BC by AC. Next, cross multiply DC into AC equal to BC into DC. So DC into AC equal to BC square. This is the equation 2. Adding equation 1 and 2 we get. So equation 1 is the AD into AC equal to AB square. So AD into AC equal plus, next this equation 2, DC into AC equal to AB square plus BC square. So we take the common value AC. Remaining value AD plus BC equal to AB square plus BC square. Here we observe this figure. AD plus DC means AD plus DC means AC. We get AC. So we write the AD plus DC value AC. AC into AC equal to AB square plus BC square. So AC into AC means AC square. AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. So we proved the Pythagoras theorem. Hence proved. So this is the Pythagoras theorem. Hypotenuse square equal to sum of squares of other two sides. Once again we repeat the Pythagoras theorem. We call a Bauduin theorem. So statement: in a right-angled triangle, the squares of hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of other two sides. First we draw the figure triangle. ABC is right triangle, and what is the given? Write the given and RTP. RTP equal to hypotenuse square equal to side square plus side square. It means AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. Next write the construction. Draw the BD is perpendicular to AC. Next go to proof. We take the triangle BDA similar to triangle ABC, right angle triangles. So their sides are proportional. AD by DB equal to AB by AC. Cross multiply, we get AD into AC equal to AB square. This is the equation 1. Next we take the another two similar triangles, triangle BCD and triangle ABC. So their sides are also proportional. So BC by BC equal to BC by AC. Cross multiply, we get BC into AC equal to BC square. Next adding equation 1 and 2, we get AD plus AD into AC plus DC into AC equal to AB square plus BC square. We write the AC into AD plus DC. AD plus DC means AC. AD plus DC means AC. So we write the AD plus DC value AC equal to AB square plus BC square. So AC into AC means AC square, that equal to AB square plus BC square. This is a Pythagoras theorem. Next, do this problem. A ladder 15 meters long reaches a window is 9 meters above the ground at one side of a street. Keeping its foot at the same point, the ladder is turned to other side of the street to reach a window 12 meters height. Find the width of the street. So first we draw the figure. A ladder 15 meters long reaches a window is 9 meters. So first window 9 meters. This is a ladder. So A, B, C. AB is a window and AC is a ladder. Next, keeping its foot at the same point. The ladder keeping its same point. The ladder is turned to other side. So the ladder turned to other side. The window is 12 meters height. So 12 meters height. The ladder turned to other side. So this height 9 meters and ladder height 15 meters. And this is a ladder 15 meters and this is a another window height 12 meters. D, E. So this is a figure. What is the given? Height of the first window. Height of the first window AB equal to 9 meters and height of the ladder. Height of the ladder A equal to 50 meters. Next, this figure has two right angle triangles. One is the ABC and another one is the BDE. So angle B and D equal to 90 degrees. Triangle ABC and triangle CDE are right triangles. Right triangles. First we take the triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, angle B equal to 90 degrees from Pythagoras theorem. What is the Pythagoras theorem? Hypotenuse square equal to side square plus side square. Hypotenuse square equal to side square plus side square. So triangle ABC, look here, triangle ABC, AC is the hypotenuse and AB and BC is other two sides. So write the hypotenuse AC square equal to other two sides AB square plus BC square. So write the values. AC value 50 square equal to AB value 9 square plus remaining BC square. 15 square means 15 into 15. 15 15s are 225. 225 equal to 9 square means 9 into 9. 9 9s are 81 plus BC square. So write the BC square equal to 225 plus 81. Move to left side minus 81. Minus 81. So 225 minus 81. 5 minus 1, 4. 12 minus 8, 4. 144. BC square equal to 144. Next we find the BC equal to root 144. Root 144 means 12 into 12. Root that equal to 12 meters. BC value 12 meters. So we find the first BC value 12 meters. Next take the right angle triangle CDE. In triangle CDE from Pythagoras theorem, what is the Pythagoras theorem? Hypotenuse square equal to side square plus side square. In the figure, triangle CDE is a right angle triangle. C is the hypotenuse because right angle opposite side hypotenuse. So other two sides CD and DE are the other two sides. So hypotenuse is CE square equal to other two sides CD square plus D square. Write the values. CE means 15 square equal to CD value. Find the CD value. So write the DE value 12 square. So 15 square value means 15 into 15. 15 15s are 225. 225 equal to CD square plus 12 square means 12 into 12. 12 12s are 144. So write the CD square equal to 225 minus plus 144, move to left side, minus 144. So 225 minus 144 value 81. CD square equal to 81. CD equal to root 81. Root 81. That equal to 81 means 9 into 9. That equal to 9 meters. CD value 9 meters. So next we find the CD value 9 meters. What is the find in the problem? Find the width of the street. So BD is the width of the street. It means BC plus CD is a width of the street. So BD equal to BD means BC plus CD. BC plus CD. Write the BC value 12. 12 plus CD value 9. So 12 plus 9, 21 meters. BD equal to 21 meters. BD means width of the street. So write the width of the street equal to 21 meters. So once again repeat the problem. First we draw the rough figure and write the given values. So height of the first window, ladder roof, next triangle ABC and triangle CDE are the right triangle in the figures. So first we take the triangle ABC and angle B equal to 90 degrees. From Pythagoras theorem. What is the Pythagoras theorem? Hypotenuse square equal to side square plus side square. So in the figure, hypotenuse means AC. So AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. So we substitute the values and we find the BC square equal to 144. BC square is 144 and BC value 12 meters. Next we take the another right triangle, triangle CDE, angle D equal to 90 degrees. From Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square equal to side square plus side square. So hypotenuse means from figure CE is the hypotenuse. So CE square equal to CD square plus D square. We substitute the values and find the CD square value 81. We find the CD value. CD value 9 meters. Next, we find the width of the street. So width of the street means BD is the width of the street. So we write the BC plus CD equal to BD. We find the BD value, BC plus CD. Substitute the BC and CD value. We get the BD value 21 meters. 21 meters. So BD is the width of the street 21 meters. Next one, example problem. ABC is right triangle at C. Let BC equal to small a and CA equal to small b, AB equal to small c, and let P be the length of perpendicular from C on AB. Prove that case 1 BC equal to AB and second case 1 by B square equal to 1 by A square plus 1 by B square. First we draw the figure. First draw the right triangle. Right triangle. Right angle at C. So remaining A, B, C is a right triangle. Next, put the BC value small a and AC value small b and AB value small c. Small c. Next, PB the length of perpendicular from C on AB. Perpendicular C on AB is CD. CD is a perpendicular on BD. So this value small p. This value small p. Next, what is the given solution? What is the given? Triangle ABC is a right triangle. Right triangle. Right angle at C. Next, BC equal to small a, CA equal to small b, AB equal to small c and CD equal to small p. CD equal to small p. Next, draw the CD is perpendicular to AB. CD is perpendicular to AB. Next, we find the area of triangle ABC. Area of triangle ABC. What is the area of triangle ABC? Half into base into height. We know the area of triangle ABC formula, half into base into height. So, which is the base and which is the height? ABC is right angle triangle and AB, we take the base AB and height CD. So, write the half base AB into height CD. So, AB value C and CD value P. So, we substitute the AB and CD value C into P, that equal half CP. Half CP. This is the equation 1. Next, we find the same triangle ABC area. So, area of triangle ABC equal to, so you know the area of triangle half into base into height. Next, we take the triangle ABC, base BC and height CA and height CA. So, we take the base BC and height CA. So, write the base half into base BC into height CA. So, what is the BC and CA values? BC value A and CA values B. So, we substitute the values BC small a into CA small b, that equal half into AB, half AB. This is the equation 2. So, see here, these two areas are equal because to take the area of triangle ABC and area of triangle ABC. So, these two values are equal. These two values are equal. From 1 and 2, we know the half CP equal to half AB. So, half cancel. CP equal to AB. So, we prove the first condition. We prove the first condition, PC equal to AB. So, CP equal to AB is the first condition. Next, we take the second, we prove the second condition. ABC is a right angle triangle and C equal to 90 degrees. Triangle ABC is right triangle. Right triangle and C equal to 90 degrees. From Pythagoras theorem, what is the Pythagoras theorem? Hypotenuse square equal to squares of sum equal to side square plus side square. In the figure, here in the figure, hypotenuse. What is the hypotenuse? This is a right angle. So this opposite side is a hypotenuse. So AB is the hypotenuse and BC and CA is the other two sides. So we substitute the AB square equal to BC square plus CA square. We know the AB square, BC square and CA square values. So here AB value C, BC value A, CA value small. So write the values in the Pythagoras theorem. AB value small c square equal to small a square plus CA value small c square. We know the CP equal to AB, CP equal to AB, C equal to AB by P, C value AB by P. So write the C equal to AB by P in the equation. C value, substitute the AB by P. So C value AB by P, substitute the AB by P in C place. Whole square equal to A square plus B square. Next, A square B square by P square equal to A square plus B square. Cross multiply. So A square B square is a numerator. You move to right side, denominator. So 1 by P square equal to A square plus B square by A square B square. So we substitute the values and A square by A square B square plus B square by A square B square, that equal to 1 by P square. So numerator A square, denominator A square. Numerator B square, denominator B square is cancelled. So remaining values 1 by P square equal to 1 by B square plus 1 by A square. So write the formation A square by 1 by B square. This is the second condition. So we proved the second condition. Once again, first we write the given values. Triangle ABC is a right angle at C. Next, BC value A and CA value small b, AB value small c, CD value small c. So CD is perpendicular to AB. Next, we find the area of triangle ABC. In the figure, we observe in the figure, ABC is a right triangle and we take the base AB and height CD. So, we substitute the triangle area of triangle ABC equal to half into base into height, that equal to half into base AB and height CD. Substitute the value half CP is the equation 1. Next we take the area of triangle ABC. In this time we take the base BC and height CA. So half into base into height, we substitute the half into base BC into height CA. We get the answer half AB. This is the equation 2. We observe these two areas of triangles ABC are the same. So these areas are equal. So these two values are equal. So write the half CP equal to half AB. So cancel half, write the CP equal to AB. This is the first condition. So we proved the first condition. Next, second case, triangle ABC right angle triangle and angle C equal to 90 degrees. Next, CP equal to AB. We find the CP equal to AB. Write the C value AB by P. From Pythagoras theorem, ABC is a right triangle. From Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square equal to side square plus side square. Write the hypotenuse value AB square equal to BC square plus CA square. Substitute the values C square equal to A square plus B square. So what is the C value? C is the AB by P. So substitute the AB by P in C place. So we write the equal to a square plus b square. Next, a square b square is a numerator. It moves to right side. It is a denominator. So 1 by b square equal to a square plus b square by a square b square. Next, write the separate form. So a square, b square cancel. Write the remaining values. 1 by b square equal to 1 by a square plus 1 by b square. This is the second condition. So we proved the first condition and second condition. Next, exercise 8.4. In equilateral triangle ABC, D is a point on side BC such that BD equal to 1 by third of BC. Prove that 9AD square equal to 7AB square. So first we draw the triangle ABC is a equilateral triangle. It means equilateral means three sides are equal. So ABC is a equilateral triangle and AB equal to BC equal to CA. Next, BD is the 1 by third of BC. The 1 by third of BC. So join AD. BD is the 1 by third of BC. So first write the given values. What is the given? Triangle ABC is equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. It means AB equal to BC equal to CA. Next, BD equal to 1 by third of BC. Next, RTP. RTP means we require to prove. What is we prove? 9AD square equal to 7AB square. 9AD square equal to 7AB square. Next, construction. So, construction. AB is the perpendicular on BC. So draw AP is perpendicular to BC. Next, go to proof. So see here in the figure, APB is a right angle triangle and APD is another right angle triangle. So write the triangle APB and triangle APD are right triangles. First we take the triangle APB triangle. In triangle APB from Pythagoras, in the figure, BD is 1 by third of BC and BP is equal to 1 by 2 of C. It means half of BC. So first write the BD equal to 1 by third of BC and BP equal to half of BC. So in triangle ABP, from Pythagoras theorem, what is the Pythagoras theorem? Hypotenuse square equal to side square plus side square. So see here, APB right angle triangle. What is the hypotenuse? AB is the hypotenuse and AP is the other two sides. So write the hypotenuse AB whole square equal to other two sides BP square plus AP square. This is the equation 1. Next we take the another right triangle APD. from Pythagoras. Pythagoras theorem. What is the Pythagoras theorem? Hypotenuse square equal to side square plus side square. So here in the picture, APD is a right triangle. So AD is a hypotenuse and DP and PI is other two sides. We substitute the theorem. Hypotenuse AD square equal to DP square plus AP square. So write the AP square equal to plus DP, move to left side, minus DP. So AD square plus DP, move to left side, minus DP square. This is the equation 2. Substitute equation 2 in equation 1. So substitute equation 2 in equation 1. So write the AB square equal to DP square plus AB value AD square minus DP square. AD value AD square minus DP square. Next, see here in the picture DP value half of BC. Next, DP value, DP means BP minus BD. We get the DP. Once again, we repeat DP value BP minus BD. So, BP value DP equal to BP minus BD. So write the BP square plus AD value AD square minus DP value BP minus BD whole square. That equal to BP is half of BC. BP means half of BC. So half BC whole square plus AD square minus this is the A minus B whole square form. So we know the A minus B whole square formula. A square plus B square minus 2AB. So we know the A minus B whole square formula. Write the A minus B square formula. Here place BP square plus B square means BD square minus 2 into A means BP into B means BD. That equal to B square means BC square by 2 square means 4 plus AD square minus BP means BP value 1 by 2 of BC. So half BC plus BD means 1 by 3rd of BC. So we substitute the BD value 1 by 3rd of BC whole square minus 2 into BP value BC by 2 into BD value BC by 3. So that equal to BC square by 4 plus AD square minus of minus BC square by 2 square means 4 plus BC square by 3 square means 9 minus 2 cancel. BC into BC square by 3. So that equal to BC square by 4 plus AD square plus minus into plus minus BC square by 4 minus into plus minus BC square by 9 minus into minus plus BC square by 3. So see here plus bc square by 4 minus bc square by 4 is cancelled. So remaining values ad square minus bc square by 9 plus bc square by 3. So take the LCM. ad square equal to 9, 3, LCM 9. So 9 into ad square, 9 ad square minus 9 ones 9. So bc square. Next 9 divides 3 times. So 3 bc square, that equal to 9 ad square plus 3 minus 1, we get plus 2 bc square by 9 ab square. Cross multiply 9 ab square equal to 9 ad square plus 2 bc square. We know the AB equal to BC because this is a equilateral triangle. So AB equal to BC equal to CA. So write the BC AB, that equal to 9 AD square plus 2 AB square. So plus 2 AB square, move to left side, minus 2. Minus 2 AB square equal to 9 AD square. So 9 minus 2, 7. 7 AB square equal to 9 AD square. So therefore 9 AD square equal to 7 AB square. Hence proved. What is the given triangle? ABC is a equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle means 3 sides are equal. So AB equal to BC equal to CA. Next BD equal to 1/3 of BC. Next RTP 9 AD square equal to 7 AB square. Construction, draw AB is perpendicular on BC. So draw the AP is perpendicular to BC. So go to proof. Triangle ABC and triangle ADB are right triangle. So we know the BD value 1/3 of BC. BB equal to half BC. So in triangle ABC, we take the first triangle ABP. In triangle ABB from Pythagoras theorem. What is the Pythagoras theorem? Hypotenuse square equal to side square plus side square. So we substitute the hypotenuse equal to AB square equal to sides means two sides BP and AB are two sides. So we substitute the BP square plus AP square. This is the equation 1. Next we take the another right triangle ABD. So from Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square equal to side square plus side square. So we observe APD right angle triangle. AD is hypotenuse and AP and BP are other two sides. So write the Pythagoras theorem. AD square equal to DP square plus AP square. So find the AP equal to AD square plus DP. Move to left side, minus DP whole square. So this is the equation 2. We substitute the AP value in equation 1. So substitute equation 2 in equation 1. So we write the AB square equal to BP square plus AD square minus DP square. That equal to BP square plus AD square. See here, BP value, find the BP value, BP minus BD. We get DP. So write the BP minus BD whole square. We know the A minus B whole square formula. So A minus B whole square formula. A square plus B square minus 2AB. So simplify this. We get the AD square minus BC square by 9 plus BC square by 3. Next write the simplify the problem, we get the 9 AD square equal to 7 AB square. Next problem. Two poles of heights 6 meters and 11 meters stand on a plain ground. If the distance between the feet of the poles in 12 meters, find the distance between their tops. So, first draw the figure. First pole 6 meters and second pole 11 meters. Next 6 meters, this is 11 meters. Next distance 12 meters. So A, B, C join the two tops. So A, E, D is a triangle. Next AB equal to C. So C value 6 meters and ED value total value 11 meters. CD value 6 meters. So only ED value 5 meters. Next AE equal to BC. So we know the BC value 12 meters. So AE value also 12 meters. Next we find the top of the 2 points distance. So find the AD value. What is the given? First, height of the first pole. Height of the first pole. Pole AB equal to 6 meters. Next, height of the second pole. So height of the second pole CD. CD equal to 11 meters. Next, distance between the two poles. Distance between two poles equal to two poles BC equal to 12 meters. 12 meters. See here, BC equal to AE, that equal to 12 meters, and AD equal to CE. AB equal to CE equal to 6 meters. Next, ED value. ED equal to, see here, ED value CD minus CE, we get D. So ED equal to CD minus CE, that equal to CD value 11 meters minus CE value 6 meters, that equal to 5 meters. ED value 5 meters. Next, AED is a right triangle. Triangle AED is right triangle. Right triangle. So from Pythagoras theorem, we know the Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square equal to side square plus side square. In the figure, hypotenuse is AD is the hypotenuse and ED is other two sides. So hypotenuse is AD square equal to AD equal to 169. AD equal to root 169. So 169 means 13 into 13. That equal to 30 meters. AD equal to 30. So what is the AD? Distance between the two tops. So distance between, therefore distance between the two tops equal to 30 meters. First, what is the given? Height of the first pole 6 meters and the height of the second pole 11 meters and distance between two poles 12 meters. So here in the figure AB equal to CE. CE value 6 meters. Next AE and BC distance same. So these two values 12 meters. Next we find the DE value. So CD minus CE we get ED value. So total length 11 meters. This value 6 meters. And this value 11 minus 6 5 meters. So if I write the AE BC AE value 12 meters. AB equal to CE value 6 meters. Next to find the ED value 5 meters. Next we take the triangle AED is a right triangle from Pythagoras theorem. What is the Pythagoras theorem? Hypotenuse square equal to side square plus side square. So we substitute the hypotenuse, and hypotenuse means AD square equal to AE square plus ED square. You substitute the values 12 square plus 5 square. 12 square value 144 and 5 square value 25. So AD square equal to 169. So AD equal to 30 meters. AD means distance between the two poles equal to 30 meters. Next assignment. First question. Prove that the sum of the squares of the sides of a rhombus is equal to the sum of squares of its diagonals. Next, second question. ABC is an isosceles triangle, right angle at C. Prove that AB square equal to 2AC square. Next, third question. A wire attached to vertical pole of height of 18 meters is 24 meters long and has a stake attached to the other end. How far from the base of the pole should the stake be driven so that the wire will be